Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lydia. If today is your first time here, and I hope you all are doing well. And in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make caramel toffee, and I hope you will enjoy this recipe. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share. So let's get started. So for the ingredients, I'll be using thickened cream, coconut milk, sugar, butter, and vanilla essence. And to begin with, I've heated my saucepan and I'll be adding in the sugar, and I'll wait for it to melt and to caramelize. So I'll keep stirring it until it's melted. Next, I'll gradually add in the thickened cream while stirring continuously. Next, I'll add in the coconut cream. And also the vanilla essence. And I'll also add in the butter. So I'll continue stirring it until it thickens. And at this point it's done, as you can see. Now I'll go ahead and pour it inside a food container, and I'll let it settle in the fridge for about 2 hours. So after 2 hours it has solidified, and I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you are enjoying this recipe. And it's very, very simple and delicious. And thank you all to my new subscribers and also to my old subscribers for supporting this channel. And you can enjoy this caramel toffee by itself, or you can add it to your cup of tea. Very, very delicious, and I hope you will also try this. And after cutting it, you can put it inside a glass container or a food container and let it sit in the fridge. And enjoy. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.